yesterday had informed that decided to repeal the Gaming Act. So can we expect the government to also call a special session to complete the...
Normally, repealing of acts can be done through ordinance, and that ordinance can be then passed in the House. So therefore, the way the Street Vendors Act was repealed by an ordinance, and then it was regularized in the next session. So similarly, any act can be repealed through the ordinance, and that is the procedure that will be followed.
In the absence of the act, what is the mechanism to control, as you used to say, illegal gambling activities?
Well, there will not be any mechanism. So therefore, that is the other side of the story. But we definitely will be back to square one now. And we'll have to see how to move forward in this line. So, but as is, the Honorable Taxation Minister had said, that after speaking to different stakeholders, he sensed that there were concerns. And therefore, in the larger interest, we had in fact a couple of discussions about this, Honorable Taxation Minister and myself. And even before he made this announcement, he had met me in the morning, and we had discussed this in detail. We had informed the other members also, and then we decided. I told him we go ahead with the press conference, to the voice of the people. And you've seen this happen in many occasions, and I've maintained this. And we strongly feel that when the concerns of the citizens are there, people are there, then the government must listen. So whether elections are there or not, the point that the government must keep the concerns of the people, and this government has always kept that as a priority. In many occasions, we've seen that this has been done in this manner. So it's being done from the matter of point of the people's concern and the people's desire that this should be reviewed, and that's what we've done.
So how will the government regulate gambling, other forms of gambling in the state?
We'll see how we move forward.
Decided to repeal this act.
Yeah, so therefore the other forms, as I said, this particular act was ensuring that people would not be able to enter different gambling places, and wherever the licenses were given, anybody who wanted to operate would have to apply for licenses. So obviously in the absence of that, now there's not any specific law, and we're back to square one. So the way things were in the past, that's how things will be as of now, until we examine and see how we're going to move forward.
Sir, these people who oppose the particular act, they have also mentioned that it is unfair to collect, or it is an unclean revenue to collect from such gaming activities. So now, with the government deciding to do away with this act, will it also do away with other activities like tir and other which are also not clean, because the government is collecting revenue from these activities?
It's not the question of clean or not clean. That's really a matter of definition and perspective that one may have. But yes, in a way you are right, that if you look at every activity, then one could have a particular perception about a particular activity. And many activities have different forms of chances and different forms of skill involved with all of them. So therefore, this aspect will always be there. But the concerns regarding the regulation that we had put, the gaming regulation, this had more concerns than simply the gambling aspect, and the fear of the and the concerns of the society at large was that it will have a larger and a more different impact than the other forms of games and other forms of gambling and the games of chance that are there. And hence those concerns were what had been a matter of concern for the government. And after hearing everybody out, we realized that this is a matter that people are obviously very concerned about, and so we decided that till we're able to move forward properly, and we're able to really come with a proper system where people will feel that this being able to take care of all these different aspects, we felt that let us go with the will of the people and overall the concerns of the citizens, and we decided that we repeal the act.
So talking about the connectivity, so President Murmu has flagged off, trains which will connect Meghalaya to Nagaland. So what's your thoughts on that?
It's a good thing. So that's great, and this connectivity is something that is very important in today's world. So it's great that this flag for the train has taken place in Nagaland, and hopefully with us being able to handle and take care of the concerns that are there of different civil society, we will also try our best to see how we could move forward with that.
So, Chief Minister level talks, when can we expect in the second phase?
So right now the regional committees have started, making some moves, discussions, visits. In fact, today the West Khasi Hills Regional Committee of Meghalaya had a first meeting today, and I have not got the reports of the meeting yet, but the meeting was held. Similarly, other regional committees will meet, and then when the Assam regional committees are there, then there will be joint meetings. So we will take it as we go along. But yeah, it's a process. It cannot be resolved immediately, or we cannot expect results in a matter of days. But process is on, and we hope that soon we'll be able to have the CM level meeting also. Okay.